Well, good evening to you. Tonight we got a special video we're going to do. I'm going to grill some steaks and put them on the griddle. I got some ribeye steaks for that. And we're also going to do some potatoes and Brussels sprouts in a special way in the smoker. So I got that smoker rolling back there. I'll show you how to fix those potatoes and Brussels sprouts. Man, they're going to be really good. So stay tuned and we'll get it going. When you're putting this mixture of a little bit of flour and garlic, salt and pepper and butter on your steaks, you want to put it on both sides. You want to put it on the edges also. Now we got our onions on the griddle getting nice and hot. We're going to put those steaks on there. When you first put your steaks on, take some of those onions, put them on top of your steaks right there. Let that cook right up through there. Boy, that's good. Now our Brussels sprouts and potatoes are ready. They're 210. Taking them off. Now we get back to our steaks. Got them seared on one side. We're going to flip them over. Then we're going to put them on part of the grill right there that's super hot. So we're going to sear that other side. While that second side's searing, we'll put those onions back on top of that side of the steak. Man, that's good. After that second side seared, what I did was flip them back over, left the onions underneath. So this is the first side seared, and flipped them over, and left those onions underneath when I flipped them over this time. So the onions can cook up through the steak itself. Then we'll put a little butter on top of that. Man, that's going to be good too. These steaks are getting close. Feel right there. See the steak, the tenderness of it. Let's get the temperature. We want it to be about 125. And when it gets there, we're going to take them off. They're ready. According to how you like the steaks, if you like them more done, then wait till they get firm. If you like them pretty rare, then just take them off. We like to take ours off about 125 internal temperature. And these are just like we like them, 125. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your ribeye steak.